Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today's video of teaching plan class 7th subject English, duration 40 minutes. Learning outcomes: the child is able to recite poems with proper rhythm and intonation. Children are able to describe beauty of nature in their own words. Now topic: I love nature. Teaching learning material: chalk, textbook, blackboard, duster. Material available on Diksha app. Now teaching learning process: first of all steps, then time and methods of assessment. In the beginning of teaching, to know the previous knowledge of the students, the teacher will do common conversation with the students and ask some questions to them. And the duration of this will be 5 minutes. And methods of assessment: observation and participation. Now questions are: do you like sound of birds early in the morning? How can we describe nature and its beauty? This will be a problematic question for the students. Now, during the teaching, the teacher will tell the students that today we will recite the poem I Love Nature. This poem is composed by Adoni Marcano. This poem is about the nature and its beauty. And the duration of teaching will be 25 minutes. And methods of assessment: observation and listening. The teacher will recite the poem with proper rhythm, intonation and correct pronunciation. The teacher will tell them Hindi meaning of the poem also, a chapter also. Then the teacher will tell the students to write meaning of difficult words from the blackboard. Now blackboard work. Word meaning: morn, सुबह, ग्रे, स्लेटी, वेव्स, लहरें, सी शेल्स, समुद्र की सीपी, क्रिकेट्स, झिंगुर, क्रीचर्स, जीव, लॉर्ड, ईश्वर. Now after the teaching, the teacher will show them video on Diksha app related to the poem. And duration will be 5 minutes. And methods of assessment: observation. Now home assignment: match the senses column A with column B. Column A and B: sight, sweetness of honey; smell, beauty of bright and sunny day; taste, sound of puppies; touch, fragrance of flower; hear, smoothness of seashell. Students will match column A with column B and duration will be 5 minutes. तो साथियों, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्कार.